Hey guys, we're doing today we're doing a Royal Smile. So what this says is the Royal Smile is substantially the same cocktail as the Pink Lady, but without egg white. The Pink Lady sounds familiar. I think we may have done that in the past. I might have skipped the egg white, so this might be exactly the same as that drink. Not looking back at it. I did a lot of research just to figure out that this one hadn't been done yet, and so that's the best you're gonna get out of me. Alright? Start off with 1 part Grenadine. 1 part of the Grenadine. Next parts are 2 parts of lemon juice. I know I say it every time, but it's important to know that this will always be better with fresh lemons. Then we have 4 parts apple brandy, but we use apple cider whiskey because that's the best I can find. And 4 parts if we got it. It's not looking very promising. Oh, we're gonna get there, guys.
And then some. Might as well throw it in.
And then 4 parts gin. Also, as usual, I'm splitting this. This is the actual recipe. If you are not splitting this, I would go with the small part of the jigger for sure, and it's still gonna be pretty strong, split between 2 people, so good freaking luck. This also says, shake with cracked ice. The relative proportions of gin and applejack can be varied to suit the individual taste, and some recipes call for the addition of 1 egg white to each 2 drinks, which is hilarious because you just said that the Pink Lady is basically the same, but without egg white. I don't know which one is supposed to have egg white. Very confused by the whole thing. 1 ice cube. Ah! I lied, I put like 7 ice cubes in here. Do you think 1 ice cube sounds like this? No. And we've got ourselves a beautiful pink drink. Beautiful pink drink, sipping around. This is the Lady Luck. What the fuck is this called?
So smile.
Royal Smile.
Royal Smile. Yeah. Oh, it's very good.
Dang, that's a good one.
A+.
Guys, try this one. You'll smile like a royal. Thanks for coming to my channel. You know the deal. Like, subscribe, there's a bell too, I think. Do that one. Do the bell. Toodles.